Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix cannot turn off do not disturb mode in iPhone. Can't turn off DND in iPhone problem. So the first fix is using control center. For this, just slide down the control center. After sliding down, tap the full moon icon with white background. Here, do not disturb. Tap on it. Now you will get these options. Simply tap on it. And the method 2, using settings. For this, open settings. After opening settings, tap on focus. Check for any schedule in do not disturb. Check if there are any schedule added. If there are any schedule added, simply delete schedule. Delete schedule and delete schedule and turn off do not disturb. So that's it. These are the fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.